What's up, guys? Hello, welcome back to the Omega Solution channel. I've been really slow to make this video because, I don't know, I just didn't know how I wanted to approach this video, and this might be the worst way to approach it. But I have finally figured out how to play Pcvr on Quest mobile, like mobile Pcvr. So technically right now, if you didn't already know, to play Pcvr, you need to use Airlink or a link cable, or the virtual desktop for those like me that just want to be able to put on the headset and you're already in the PCVR. But those are like the ways that you can do it. And to do that, you have to have a full gaming PC basically, or gaming laptop set up and ready to go. And oftentimes it's either a big desktop computer that you can't lug around anywhere, or it's a laptop that you have to hook up and then you gotta like make sure it's all connected and everything. But what if you could just do it mobile on a tablet? Well, that is where I have that question finally answered, and I finally have tested it and we have the solution. So this is the ROG Z13 Flow, which I really hate the name of it, but basically I call it the Z Flow. I don't know, it just looks a lot easier just to call it that way. This has a RTX 3050 in it, and I know nobody has really, answered this question, but I have. It can actually play PCVR titles with little to no lag. Also, I was able to do it while this tablet is wireless and this is wireless across the room, just sitting there. And if anything, I can literally just put this on my back and have this on, and it's good. It's good to go. That's literally why I'm saying that this is PCVR mobile. Now, what's the cost for this? It's expensive. This is a $1,800 tablet, so yeah, it's expensive. Now, is it worth it? I don't know. It depends on like what kind of workflow you want. This is very a niche kind of item for you, but if it's, your niche, then hey, this is for you. And I tested it, so you don't have to go and look for all those videos where people are like, the ROG Z13 is the best gaming tablet ever, and like no one says, hey, can this work with VR? Well, it does. It has a 3050 in it. It works, guys. I tested it. So let's go to some of my test videos.
Oh, so wireless VR over to the router, then over to wirelessly over to this gaming tablet I have. So we're gonna see how good this gaming tablet can be. So so far it looks very good, but we're only in the armory. The armory is fairly easy to do. We're gonna get very laggy at points, just letting you guys know. This is gonna be so laggy of a stream. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna get up and move around my house while playing different matches. So, with that said, let's see what we can do. I'm just streaming on a tablet. So, yeah.
Oh, God. No such thing.
Yeah, there is such a thing. It costs a butt ton of money, though. Well, you might as well buy a desktop.
And it's doing fine?
Yeah, it's doing decent. And I'm also streaming on YouTube. Wow, that was easy. Alright. Man,
turn right.
Ah, that guy got me good. I get a stutter every maybe 20 seconds. No, it's more like every 10 seconds I feel like I get a stutter. See, I'm getting decent. This guy thought he could get me. Oh, hey, look.
Long way to victory.
It's for the ammo. So far, positive
your service.
ratio. 7-2. Alright, let's move. Okay, I'm gonna unplug the device. I don't know if it's gonna stay in high power mode to be able to do this. Let's go over to the bedroom. Alright, I am in the bedroom now. How's the stream doing? I have no idea how the stream is doing. I need to pull up my phone. Oh heck, no, that's like super laggy. This is majorly stutter stepping. Let's see if we can get one kill. I nailed him a couple times. I got one kill! Woo! With like 10 frames per second. 2 or whatever it is, like with like they're spawning in. Yeah. It's really cool.
My 3 HP.
Here, let's move to a different room in the house now. Did we win? Oh, we won! And I kept a positive kill death ratio. Nice. Haha.
Wow, alright.
Oh, dude, they went through middle area. Oh crap, he's right there. He's probably right on the other side of this catwalk.
Bro, I'm getting one-shotted.
Yeah, the silencer pistol is one-shot kill, no matter basically any distance. Some guns, it's not quite a one-shot kill, depending on certain distances.
Oh, the other pistol.
We're moving to my kitchen now. I'm gonna like get out my VR set to be able to look around. I am now in my kitchen. Alright, how many kills did I lose for our team? I'm still, you know, 1-1. Not bad. Latency's still doing fine in down here. Oh. that latency was totally on my, like, it benefited me way more.
Yeah, don't worry. I sound like a kid from the short bus. Don't judge me.
Dude, latency is definitely in my favor.
I don't know what that means. Hey! I have 144 ping, but I'm not lagging or anything. I just suck at this game. I got a whole 6 kills.
You got this, man. Come on, I'm gaming on a tablet right now. I can do it. You should do it. Big Flupa Gaming, hello. We have a really bad latency just because we are in the most harsh conditions that I would ever stream. So we'll see how it goes. So how much lag do we got? We got a decent amount of lag, but actually it's not that much lag. Okay, gotta like practice like all my basic fighting skills and everything. All right, let's go see. Oh, we start out with a. Ah, they got me. Oh crap! I lost my sword. All right. I don't know if that person died, but okay. Oh man, I missed. Oh, that was brutal. Oh frick! Ah, I'm being shocked to death. Ah, I'm missing my sword or something. Come on, come to me. Come to me. Get in my hand. Oh, hey there. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna die so easily. Well, I gotta tell you, the lag, it's not that bad. Like, the lag is not really there. It's actually just fine.
So there you have it. That is 5 different tests I did doing Vail VR and Blade and Sorcery wirelessly. Now, just a little thing that I could have done to maybe make my gameplay feel a little bit more smooth, even though it was actually fairly fine how I was because I'm very used to VR, but for any newer people, it probably would have made you want to throw up. But it was fine for me, and what I could have done was I could have left my tablet by the router, because right now I was like, if the router was here and I was literally taking both the things elsewhere and had to connect and then back, when I could have left the one there, so it only had to go as far. So I was actually detrimenting myself, but it was fine. I was actually doing fine. I streamed for a full hour for both like Vail VR and Blade and Sorcery, and I did decent. It was not that bad. You can just tell I was still positive kill death ratio on Vail, and I'm not that good at Blade and Sorcery, but that's basically it there. I am going to make more testing videos in the future. Stay tuned for those, so like and subscribe for that, with basically connecting the tablet to the Oculus through a mobile hotspot and then have the tablet connect. So that way you can actually take your tablet with you wherever, as long as your tablet can have a solid wireless connection to your router. That way it's literally streaming to the headset there. I want to test that out, but we'll do that in a future video. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.